Travel insurance versus adventure sports versus multi-trip versus winter sports versus cancellation. Which one is better for thrill seekers? If you love adventure travel, one small mistake in insurance can ruin your trip. Most travelers get this wrong by assuming standard policies cover extreme activities or multiple trips. The surprising truth is that adventure sports, multi-trip, winter sports, and cancellation insurance each protect very different risks, and choosing the right combination is essential for thrill seekers. Adventure sports insurance covers high-risk activities like rock climbing, scuba diving, or mountain biking. Standard policies often exclude these activities, leaving you responsible for medical bills or rescue costs if an accident occurs. For adrenaline junkies, this coverage is crucial. Multi-trip insurance is ideal for frequent travelers. Instead of buying separate policies for each trip, you pay one annual premium for unlimited or defined trips. It's cost-effective, convenient, and ensures continuous coverage, even if you travel multiple times a year. Winter sports insurance specifically covers skiing, snowboarding, and related injuries. It often includes coverage for ski equipment, piste closures, and avalanche incidents. If you hit the slopes regularly, this type of insurance ensures you don't face massive out-of-pocket costs for accidents unique to winter activities. Cancellation insurance protects against unexpected events that force you to cancel or cut short a trip, such as illness, severe weather, or travel restrictions. For thrill seekers investing in expensive trips, this can save thousands of pounds in non-refundable bookings. So, which is better for adventure travelers? The answer depends on your activities and frequency. Multi-trip policies provide convenience and coverage for regular travel, while adventure and winter sports add protection for high-risk activities. Cancellation insurance is an extra layer of financial security for costly trips. The right combination ensures you can chase thrills without worrying about accidents, injuries, or financial losses. With the right travel insurance, you can focus on adventure and create unforgettable experiences safely and confidently.